from this page in our spreadsheet, please click on the tab that says Price of Laptops. That's where we're going next. Okay, so what I've got here, and I didn't write it down anywhere, but this is prices of laptops, and it keeps going and going, okay, down to there. So prices of different laptops, and we want to know, what does this data look like? Are laptops mostly priced similarly? Are they skewed one way or another? Just what does this look like? Now, I promised you last week that I would show you easier ways to find the mean, median, mode, and especially the standard deviation. There's no way we're doing this by hand. The spreadsheet will calculate all of these. So what I want you to do is to click on the data and scroll all the way down so you catch all of them. All right, so we've got them all highlighted. And then, well, oh, nope, we have to highlight second. And that's my son laughing. Okay, in the mean, I want you to hit equals, and then start typing average. And it's going to pop up with different things it thinks you want, so you're going to find the one that finds average. Okay, we're going to find the average, and now you're going to click and highlight and tell the spreadsheet where the data is that you want. Once you've got it all highlighted, all you have to do is hit enter, and it will find the mean for you. So the average laptop price is $566. If you want to find the median, you're going to hit equals and start typing the word median, and it'll pop up. You just click on that, and then click and highlight your data again, and hit enter. So our median price is $530. For mode, click on that box next to it, hit equals, and start typing mode. Make sure you get the one that says mode, not mod. And highlight your data, and hit enter. And that means there's no mode, no big deal. Standard deviation, hit equals, start typing standard deviation. This is the one you want, STDEV. There are other types of standard deviation. So when you take a statistics course, you'll learn all about those. We're not using them. So standard deviation, highlight your data, and there it is. Oh, that's so much easier than doing it by hand. Okay, so it has a standard deviation of $145, $146. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to create a histogram. Now, highlight your data, and then up at the top of your spreadsheet, there's this thing that says Insert Chart. You can also get it to it from the Insert menu, Insert Chart, either one is fine. But you're going to click on that, and it should give you some recommendations. Okay, based on this. Now, if you can't find it here, you'll have to click on chart types, but it should give you a histogram as a recommendation. So just click on that, hit insert. And then you can click and drag that around so it's not in your way. So here's our histogram. We don't need to get real fancy with it. I don't really care about the labels, but you can kind of see what this looks like. And we're supposed to describe the shape. Well, I would say that this has a positive skew. Okay, notice most of my values are a little bit lower, and then I've got a few more expensive models that give it that tail to the right. Okay, so this is a positive skew. Notice also in our positive skew, our median is significantly less than our mean. So our median is somewhere in here, and our mean, our median is here, and our mean is slightly to the right of it. Okay, which is typical of positive skew. All right, we are going to take a look at the next tab of annual rainfall. And we're going to do the exact same thing. So this is annual rainfall in a certain city, so we just got several years of data. So we're going to find the mean, so hit equals, start typing average, highlight your data, and hit enter. So our average rainfall is 29 inches. I guess they didn't tell us. I don't know. Hit equals, start typing median, highlight your data, and hit enter. Median is 28.6. Notice how close those are together. So that might suggest to us that it's a normal distribution. We'll see. A symmetric distribution. Mode. No mode. And standard deviation. Standard deviation is 5.4. Okay. So now we're going to highlight our data, go to your chart or insert chart, and we want a histogram. And we can see from that, I would call that symmetric, because you've got, for the most part, you know, the highest in the middle and tails on either side, which is mostly symmetric. Looks like you have 1 year that's maybe an outlier. But like we said when we were doing the mean and the median, is those values are very similar. So that suggests that we do have a symmetric shape.